to send disappearing photo in Telegram. So let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device and log into your account using your credentials. Now simply tap on the chat or contact to whom you want to send the disappearing photo. Now in the chat, tap on the paperclip icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. And after you tap on this, select the photo from the option camera icon. Now simply click any photos and tap on the long press on the send icon available there, and you will get to see set the timer. Tap on it again. Now choose the duration of the timer of the photo will disappear. There are examples 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, view once. Tap on it, and once you have selected the photo, simply send the button and it will successfully be sent. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.